If Spotify isn't playing through your Bluetooth device, here are a few fixes you can try. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that your speaker, headphones, or car system is properly connected. Once connected, open Spotify and play a song. Next, check the audio output and make sure your Bluetooth device is selected instead of your phone's speaker. If Spotify still isn't playing through Bluetooth, open your Bluetooth settings, forget the connected device, and pair it again. You can also turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Another fix is to update Spotify. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Spotify, and install any available updates. You should also check the volume levels on both your phone and Bluetooth device to make sure neither is muted or set too low. If you're using a car system, verify that media audio is enabled in the Bluetooth settings. If the issue continues, log out of Spotify, reinstall the app, and sign back into your account. Finally, test another app such as YouTube or your phone's music player. If audio works there, the issue is likely with Spotify. If not, the problem may be with your Bluetooth connection or device. And that's how you can fix Spotify not working through Bluetooth. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If this video helped you,